Chongqing REXON Transformer Oil Purification and Filtration Machine Series ZYD can help you clean transformer oil on-site. REXON oil purifier can be connected with transformer directly to clean the oil in the transformer and dry the transformer at the same time. REXON oil purifier can not only do oil purification to transformer, but also can evacuate transformer as vacuum resource supply and vacuum oil filling to transformers. So, ZYD Transformer Oil Purifier is a multifunctional on-site maintenance system for power station and power substations. Welcome to contact us for more information. We are 24 hours available to reply your inquiries.